Sumif. It's a logical function and it is used when you need to sum values based on a particular criteria. Suppose I want to sum after tax pay of all the employees whose names start with I. What I will do, I will use Sumif. The first argument is range. Range in this case is the name column because I want to sum after tax pay of all the employees whose names start with I, so I'll choose name column as my range. The second argument is criteria. My criteria in this case is name must start with I, so I'll put I in double quotes and also add an asterisk with I. The third argument is sum range. The sum range will become after tax pay column because I want to take the sum from this column, that is after tax pay, and I'll close the parenthesis. Done. So this was Sumif. If you like the video, kindly like it and do share it with your friends. Also don't forget to subscribe my channel. Bye for now.